Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Narny's had a bit of an accident. Oh dear, what did Narny do? Narny fell over. Oh dear. Fortunately, he fell on the helmet. And the helmet took the brunt of the damage. Although the indicator didn't do particularly well in it. Just sheared it straight off. So I bought another one. God, it weren't cheap though. 80 quid excluding the VAT and postage. So it's just over 100 quid in total. So the parts finally arrived as a special order, so it took a few days for it to come in, but now I can swap it. So from what I can see, we have a bolt here and we have a bolt underneath here and underneath here to undo. All the wiring goes into the headlight, so I don't think we can pull it out in order to swap it. I think we've got to dive into the headlight. So we'll just see which one we need. Is it that one? That's too big. Not that one. I think it's this one. Just loosen it for now, and I can hold everything else together. I think that's a 10mm, isn't it? Looks like it, yep. That's all. That's screwed in from the opposite side, so this plate has to come off. Oh, they do them up tight, don't they? Good old Honda. Poor Narny. But at least no other damage was sustained. A tiny bit on the brake lever, but you do tend to expect that with bikes. I wasn't going to make a video on this because it looks very straightforward, but seeing as we have to get into the headlight a bit as well, I thought, you know, I may as well show what's occurring. Not the easiest spot to get into, I must admit. It is a bit of a challenge as far as indicators go. But rest assured, he is in the safest of hands. It was parked on a slope. Will it come out? No, it's all in there. Yeah, it was parked on a slope, and I turned around for a couple of minutes and I heard a clatter. And everyone's saying, "Oh, your motorbike's fallen over." I thought, oh no, not Narny. So yeah, it is a bit of a shame. I was glad no damage was done to the tank or the frame or anything, so couldn't imagine what it would cost to get it resprayed. I wouldn't like to know. Yeah, just leave that loose for now. We'll get into the headlight. Oops. Well, that came out pretty easily. Not even undone it yet. One on the other side. Hold the headlight towards itself. Where did that go? There it is. Just so it doesn't pop out and smash. I don't know what's holding it in on the inside yet. I think there's a bolt underneath as well. We'll see if that has to come out too. Ah, no, it don't. Good. There's not much room to work in. Where's that? There's those two there. In that case, yeah, we'll take the indicator off the side cover. Well, it's a nice bracket, that isn't it? How do you come out, or do you? Well, it's going to have to. Because the connectors are too big to come out on their own. Is that? I don't know. Poor Narny. Ah, see, so it looks like it sits within that rubber grommet. What did Alex do to you, Narny? Naughty Alex. That's ready to go through. Just check before I pull them apart. They are obviously colour coordinated, red, orange to orange, green to green. Pull these through. I could probably glue it back together, but I'd rather not personally. Or could glue it and then sell it. I don't know. Where's my new one? Okay. I think it went through that way. No, goes to the other one. I think. Yeah, because that goes back there, so it's got to go. Yeah. Send them through. Oh, that is wrong. Oh. I got it right the first time. Come on, Alex. So the wires do go through the bigger of the two holes. Like so. And this can go back in. That's a rubber mount on the end, so it does take some absorption, but not all of it, clearly. Cool, so I can feed back into the headlight. That's all nice and snug. I'll do the orange one first. Right, they're in, so I may as well, yeah, I really should test it first before we seal it all up. Is that one? Yeah. Narny working. Brilliant. I was wondering why that popped out so easily. Just make sure it goes back in correctly. Here we go. It looked like it hadn't been sitting correctly before, but now it is. So it was worth doing correctly. Hello.
Oh, that's why I couldn't get you on the phone.
A day off is never a day off. So just use a couple of bolts left to put on, and then the one at the front. Yeah, it is all a bit tight in there. Which is a good thing though, I suppose. And it's not all on show. Narny likes to look nice and sleek. Oh, and I have a new GoPro mount turned up yesterday as well. For the helmet. Because I have been using it on the handlebars. I've been using it on the chest mount as well, which is very good. I've been trying those Chinese cheap mounts you get off eBay for a few quid, and to be honest, they're absolutely rubbish. They are crap. I mean, they're fine if you just want to clamp it to a bar that's not going to move anywhere. You know, it's just going to stand stationary in a room. But if you want to actually use it on something that moves, say a car or a motorcycle or a boat or something, no chance. It just loosens itself off far too quickly. So I had to buy a proper GoPro one, because they clearly know what they're doing when it comes to mounts. You'd have thought so by now, at least, anyway. Oh, a screwdriver's unbuilding itself. It's nice and tight. And it's working again. Well, it worked anyway, it was just hanging down, but yeah, all good. So for now, Narny is looking pretty damn good. Well, I'm going to go move the van now for the receptionist, so yeah, hopefully I can make another video soon with this new GoPro mount as well. I'll show you how that gets on shortly, but otherwise I'll see you in a day or two. Enjoy.